We are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on how to multiply a decimal number with another decimal number or whole number. Our first question is, find 2.7 into 4. Solution. So, we know how to multiply a decimal number with a whole number. So, first multiply them as a whole numbers, ignoring the decimal point. That's our first step. So, if you ignore the decimal point, this number will become 27 into 4. So, if you multiply this, you will get 108. So, how to represent this 108 with a decimal number? It is 108.0. So, now we want to put the decimal point. So, how to put the decimal point? The number of digits to be counted is obtained by adding the number of digits to the right of the decimal point in the decimal numbers that are being multiplied. So, the numbers that are being multiplied is 2.7 into 4. In 2.7, after the decimal, we have only one digit in the right. So, 1. So, after 4, it's a whole number. So, we don't have any decimal. So, it is 0. So, if you add, it is 1 plus 0, it is 1. So, therefore, we have to move the decimal point one digit towards left. So, on moving one digit left from 108.0, we'll get 10.8. So, 2.7 into 4 is 10.8. Next question is 1.8 into 1.2. So, solution. Our first step is we have to ignore the decimal points and we have to multiply it as a whole number. So, if you ignore the decimal point, it will be 1.8 will become 18 and 1.2 will become 12. So, 18 into 12 is 216. So, you have to write it as a decimal number. It will be 216.0, so that our number is not altered. Now, we want to put the decimal point in the correct place. How to do that? So, we have to count the number of digits to the right of the decimal number that is being multiplied. So, here it is 1.8. So, after the decimal point, we have one digit in the right. In 1.2 also we have one digit in the right. So, 1 plus 1 totally we have 2 digits. So, therefore, we have to move the decimal point 2 digits towards left. So, on moving 2 digit left from 216.0, this is 1, 2. So, your decimal point will be between 2 and 1. So, we get 2.16. So, thus 1.8 into 1.2 is 2.16. Our next question is 2.3 into 4.35. So, solutions. First, we have to ignore the decimal point and we have to multiply it as a whole numbers. So, that is 23 into 435. So, if you multiply, you will get the answer as 10,005. So, you have to put the decimal point at the end so that it will not get changed and we can move from there as per our question. So, it will be 10,005.0. Next step, we have to count the number of digits after the decimal point. So, in 2.3, we have one digit after the decimal point. In 4.35, we have 2 digits after the decimal point. So, 2 plus 1 is 3. So, we have to move the decimal point 3 digits towards left. So, on moving 3 digit from 10,005.0, we will get 1, 2, 3. So, 10.005. So, thus 2.3 into 4.35 is 10.005. Next question is, arrange the products obtained in the one, that is in the above question, in descending order. So, first let us see what are the products. So, the products are 2.7 into 4 is 10.8, 1.8 into 1.2 is 2.16. and 2.3 into 4.35 is 10.005. So, why we have these three numbers, we have to arrange them in descending order. So, descending order is greater to smaller. So, now we will find which number is greater. So, now if you compare, 10.8 is greater than 2.16. So, we are comparing the integer part. So, it is greater. Now you compare 2.16 and 10.005. So 2.16 is less than 10.005. Now we have to arrange in descending order, that is greater to smallest. So now which number is greatest, 10.8 or 10.005? So we have same integer part. Now you have to see the decimal part. So the first number in the decimal part, that is in the 10th place, it is 8 and here it is 0. So 8 is greater. So 10.8 it's greater than 10.005, which is greater than 2.16. So these are all the numbers in descending order. Now let's see the next question. The side of an equilateral triangle is 3.5 centimeter. Find its perimeter. So solution is given. Length of side of an equilateral triangle is 3.5 centimeter. We know that all the sides of the equilateral triangle are equal. So perimeter of equilateral triangle is sum of all the sides. Since all the sides are equal, we can write the perimeter formula as 3 into length of each side. So it's given length of each side is 3.5 centimeter. So perimeter is 3 into 3.5 centimeter. So now we have to multiply 3 into 3.5. So how we will do? Ignore the decimal point. So you multiply 3 into 3.5. So you will get 105.0. Then you have to move decimal only one digit towards left because we have only one digit after the decimal. So it will be 10.5 centimeter. So thus if the side of the equilateral triangle is 3.5 centimeter, then its perimeter will be 10.5 centimeter. Now let's see the next question. The length of the rectangle is 7.1 centimeter and its breadth is 2.5 centimeter. What is the area of the rectangle? So solution, what's given? Length of the rectangle 7.1 centimeter, breadth of the rectangle 2.5 centimeter. We want to find the area of the rectangle. So we know the formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth. So you multiply length into breadth, that is 7.1 into 2.5. Okay, so now ignore the decimal points and you multiply as a whole number, that is 71 into 25. You will get 1775. So now you have to place the decimal point. So here one digit, here one digit. So totally you have 2 digits. So you have to move your decimal point 2 digits towards left. So it will be 17.75 centimeter squared. Hope you have understood how to multiply a decimal number with another decimal number and to place the decimal point after multiplication. Thank you for watching this video.